Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you another crawling variation that I've been enjoying right much, that it really connects your center and it doesn't take a lot of space. And all you need is a little stool or a bench or just anything that can support your weight. And what you do is you get beside your stool and we're gonna crawl like in an axis, like you're spinning, like there's a pole going through your belly button. So we're gonna crawl sideways. You're gonna place your hand on the stool, lift yourself up, and then lower yourself back down. So we're just crawling like on an axis, spinning from one side to the other. And you push down into the stool, lower yourself back down to the floor, and you just work your way back and forth. And obviously, if you go slower and really press down, you can hear my voice change. And then slowly lower yourself back down to the ground. What you'll discover is this warming, tensioning sensation from your armpits to your pelvis. And you can do this for time. You can do it until you think, that's enough, I've done that enough. Or you can do it for how many passes you do over the stool. From the side, if you want to see, let's see, what's the best way to show you from the side? So if I'm beside the bench, you just rotate, push into the stool, lower yourself back down. Rotate, push into the stool, lower yourself back down. This is, you have to play with it to understand it. This is a great way to strengthen your body. Doesn't take a lot of room, and it will make you stronger, a lot stronger. So I don't know what you call this, spinning crawl with the stool. So give that a shot this week. Feel free to let me know what you think about it. If you try it, write me a note in the comments. I think you'll like it. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.